Hello friends, glad to see you again on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete steps to change or set a custom ringtone on your Poco M8 Pro. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Now let's begin and set up the ringtone.